In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Comet from the Perplexity website. This process is straightforward, but I will walk you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in and get started on setting up Comet on your device. First, you need to head over to the Perplexity website. If you're not familiar with it, simply open your preferred web browser and type Perplexity website into the search bar. Once you're there, spend a bit of time exploring the home page. It can give you a good sense of what Perplexity offers, and it might pique your interest in some of their other features or tools. Once you've oriented yourself with the main website, your next task is locating the Comet section. This is crucial because Comet is the tool we'll be focusing on today. Keep an eye out for any menus or tabs that might direct you towards their products. Often, you can find this section very easily on the home page. Once you find it, look for a link or a button labeled Download Comet. Clicking on Download Comet will take you to the download page, and here's where you need to make an important decision: choosing the right version for your device. Comet is designed to work on various operating systems, but for today's instructions, we're focusing on Windows. Make sure your device runs on either Windows 10 or 11, since these are the supported versions. This will guarantee optimum performance and compatibility when using Comet. Once you've confirmed your operating system, select the appropriate version. After selecting your operating system, you'll need to download the installer file. This usually starts automatically once you've made your selection, but if it doesn't, don't worry. There's often a prompt or a button you can click to manually start the download. During this process, make sure that you save the file in a location on your computer where you can easily find it later, like your desktop or a designated Downloads folder. With the installer downloaded, the next step is installing Comet on your computer. Locate the downloaded installer file, which should have a name like Comet Installer or something similar, and double-click it to open. This will launch the installation wizard, a helpful guide that takes you through the necessary steps to install the software. Follow the on-screen instructions, agreeing to any terms and conditions, and selecting your preferred installation options. This is usually very straightforward, so just go with the default settings if you're unsure. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to open the browser and start using Comet. You can find the newly installed program in your list of applications, or possibly as a shortcut on your desktop. Double-click to open it up and explore its features. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully downloaded and installed Comet on your Windows device. Enjoy discovering all that Comet has to offer, and don't hesitate to explore further for more features that might suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.